Hello and welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we're looking at this Audi A3 Saloon Black Edition 35 TFSI, and we can see that Python yellow metallic finish. Move around to the rear of the vehicle, that Python yellow does continue throughout and really finished the Audi A3 Saloon Black Edition off nicely. Also for this vehicle, do come the 19-inch 5-wire arm structure design alloys which look fantastic out on the road. The LED headlights create that great visibility in all road conditions. And here we do also have the rear lights as well. Moving into the boot now, here we can see there's plenty of space and requirements you may have, whether it's be shop and luggage moving a pram, and if an additional space is required, the back seats can also be dropped. Moving into the interior now, here we can see we can fit up to 3 passengers, with these 2 i6 points, and 2 USB ports are also included. Your leather multifunction steering wheel, with the S embossed front sport seats, your telephone and your volume adjustment. On the left hand side of a choice of use your Audi virtual cockpit. This can be set to navigation, connect to your telephone, your favourite radio station or general vehicle data. Moving over, we have some great features including radio, media, telephone navigation, but what I'm excited to show today is phone apps, which features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which lets you use Apple Music, Spotify and Google Maps. Other apps are also included as well. Another great feature is the Audi Drive Select, where you can choose your preferred drive mode. For individual dynamic auto comfort or efficiency. Here we do also have the driver's assist, which can be changed to your driving preference for any journey. And as we move down now, we do have the dual zone climate control. This can be adjusted for the driver and passenger. These can be synced together and heated front seats are also included. As we move down, we do have your wireless phone charging, your manual gearbox, the electric parking brake, an armrest, a little bit of storage in case you store your phone, your wallet or anything else on any journey. This vehicle will come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please contact us now at Crewe Audi.